There's a frozen waterfall. See if I can get over there and check it out. I'll take you with me. It'll be fun, you'll enjoy it. Somebody just went down the path by me. I don't know. I can feel my batteries charging. Something about being out here just puts a life back in me. Another thing I do, laugh if you don't, but when I see trash, I pick up somebody's trash. Usually I carry a plastic bag with me. I didn't do that today. But if you see something, grab it. Make it nicer for the next person. You can tell that years ago, this used to be a bigger river because I'm down like in a creek bed. I don't know if there's a dam or something that diverted it or if the water just diverted itself. I've seen a lot of people on the trails today. There's a bench over there. Well, I'm pretty sure it's easy to get to that waterfall. I'm gonna get moving. Picking up more trash. Lots of people out here today. Okay, came back across the bridge. Went that way, not very far. I'm gonna take the Pittsburgh-Cincinnati trail. That should get me to that frozen waterfall. I'm gonna leave that trash right there. I'll pick it up when I come back. Another fork in the road. Yeah, that one heads towards water. Let's do that. I'm on the opposite side of the river that I just was before, and there's that waterfall. There's a bench down here. I guess sitting quiet sometimes is not uncommon. People up there. I've passed on the bridge. It's pretty. You can tell the rain we had that there was some flooding down here and the signs of all the extra water. Something pooped up there. There's that frozen waterfall. I made it through the woods. A little bit more difficult than I thought it was going to be. Pretty worth it. Battery's running low again. I'm going to go across there and climb up the side. Neat. Maybe I'll climb it. I'll climb it. Don't you worry. I brought this camera, a little Nikon point and shoot. I don't really like it, but have to do it. Oops. Sorry, nature. I broke nature. Damn it. Oh, I'm standing on ice. It's getting slippery. I'm getting wet too. Because I'm pretty close. Oh, the camera line's wet. Okay. I'll call that a day. Head back. Nice little piece of nature close to home. Say again, it's a great way to start 2014. Have a great and wonderful day. Have a great and wonderful day. So this is the top of the waterfall. There's a little creek that feeds it. And that's just where we were. And we'll walk across here. Oh, that is awesome. See if I can zoom in. You can see the water flowing underneath the ice. Here might be better. See the water flowing. More people.
Come on, hey.
More people with dogs. Pretty neat. Head back. This is just a crap camera though. Makes me mad that my good camera on my cell phone. I need to buy one of those battery packs that you can carry with you. You know, external battery. Amazon. I need to hook up Amazon. Now that is a nice spot. They found a really good spot. It is funny when you think about it that this is the trail that used to go from Cincinnati to Pittsburgh. Not a very big trail. I think going along the river would be a lot easier. But back then, a lot of times trails followed rivers because you always need water, and there's water. And most cities are built on water, around rivers and lakes and stuff like that. Factoid, I think Indianapolis is like the largest major city without a river or some body of water. You might want to check me on that, I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure that's right. Okay, enough rambling. Coming up the hill. There's the campground. A lot more people than I expected. And there he is. There's Eddie. a good focus, but trust me, that's Eddie. Cousin Eddie. It's a good sign. He didn't start a fire, nothing, no smoke. Lots of vehicles in through here. Probably very busy in the summer. A pavilion. That's nice. Throw my trash away. Hi, Geek. How you doing? Nice and warm in here. Very warm in here. By train, 7 to 1. And by the end of 1920, Mather proudly announced that for the first time about 64 or 5 degrees in. Us are here watching the noise of Ken Burns National Parks. That's cool. Well, it's about 5:15. Sun's going down over there. Hearing some gunshots. I think it's deer season. And I am alone in this park, which is pretty cool. Just hanging out in an eddy, camping. Park Road, people are probably leaving. Kiki's in there. And I think it's time to start dinner.